Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes, and today I'll be showing y'all how I deep cleanse my hair. So first, I'll be using TPH by Taraji, and I'll be using her Master Cleanse, a targeted scalp wash. This cleanse is for all hair types, and it cleanses, refreshes, and balances. This cleanse is infused with witch hazel water, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus oil. I think that's how you say it. First, I'll just dampen my hair so that I can apply the product easier, and then I'll be unscrewing the top. And I like this top because it has these little combs, and the product comes out of the comb, and you could literally like comb your scalp while you're washing it. Now I'm washing out all that master cleanse. So guys, I know this cleanser is very moisturizing because right after I wash it out, I could still comb through my hair. Like with most shampoos, you can't do that. So if you could do that after you wash it out, it's a good one. And look, no hair came out. That's how I know this shampoo is really, really moisturizing. Next for conditioner, I'll be using the Make It Rain, a hydration rich conditioner, and it hydrates, smooths, and detangles for all hair types. TPH is a vegan brand that's cruelty free, paraben free, mineral oil free, and SLS free. Now I'm just applying all that conditioner throughout my hair, and I'm making sure that I massage my scalp as well. Alright, now I'm just combing that conditioner all through my hair, making sure my hair is all detangled. And I could say I use a decent amount of conditioner, but I usually use more. And as y'all see, I can really comb through my hair good. So this conditioner does go a long way. Now I'm just giving my scalp a quick massage. And now I'll just be washing out all that Make It Rain conditioner. So this is what my hair looked like when I washed out all the product, and I must say my curls look super duper healthy. So now I'll be using the Mother's Earth Moisturizing Clay Mask, and this mask helps to soften, define, and defrizz hair. This mask is for wavy, curly to coily hair types, and it is infused with coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, and Kalon clay. I think that's how you say it. Y'all know I don't be knowing. Alright, so I already did the two back halves. Now I'm doing the front, just splitting those in two, and I'll be combing my hair out and applying that product all throughout my hair. So now I'm putting on two caps, and this kind of helps just trap a little more heat inside since I won't be sitting under a dryer. And I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, so this is what my hair looks like after 30 minutes of having the mask on my hair, and I can say my curls is popping. Like, my curls look good. Okay, guys, now I'm washing out all that mask out my hair, and I can honestly say I love all these products. Like, I'm in love with this line. My hair feels super clean, super moisturized, and as y'all see, my curls are popping. Like, I'm satisfied. I'm really in awe. Y'all, just look how this comb is slipping through my hair. Like, ugh. So all that product is out my hair. I have nothing in my hair at all. This is just how it looks. Super healthy, super moisturized, and I'm in love. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you know when I'm uploading again. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.